Okay, sis. I see you. And I also see you. Hello, my beautiful bugs. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Brooke. I am a fashion lover, a makeup lover, and a proud mother to a sophisticated cat named Snoop. And on my channel, we have absolutely no rules, especially when it comes to makeup. I always have a color scheme picked out in mind, but I never actually know what's going on my lid. Today, not much is going on my lid. By the title, you could tell I'm doing a more natural makeup look today. Some people might think that this is still full glam, but if you're an OG subscriber, you will know I do some very extra makeup looks that, like, you know, sunsets, rainbows, that sometimes people just don't want to go to Chipotle or Publix wearing a sunset on their lid, you feel? With that being said, let's jump right in.
Step 1, moisturize. I have the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream and the Murad SPF Moisturizer. Step 2, we are going to prime, and I am using the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Primer, but I also love the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. Step 3, foundation. I am using Milani 2-in-1 Conceal and Perfect Foundation, but you could also use a CC cream if that makes you feel more comfortable. Now, of course, blend your foundation. You don't want to leave your foundation looking like that. Step 4, concealer. I'm using Maybelline Face Studio Master Concealer, but you could also use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I like them both. So this is how I've been doing my concealer lately. Just putting it on the inner corner of my under eye and the outer corner of my under eye, and blending it out in that exact spot, not bringing it down my whole face. This will give you a more snatched look. Don't forget to flip your sponge when blending out your foundation or concealer, just so it has the side with no product on it and you can blend it out evenly. Step 5, set your face. I actually use 2 powders to set my face. I use the Fit Me Loose Powder and the Fit Me Compact Powder. I am taking the pointed end of my Real Techniques powder sponge and putting my powder exactly where I put my concealer, bringing it down my nose, not caking it on my face, but just dabbing it on. Now flipping over my sponge to the flat edge so that I could set the outer corner of my under eye and make it real snatched. Now setting my Cupid's bow, my chin, down my nose, and a little bit on my forehead. Just because I really want these points of my face to be highlighted when I wipe off the powder. Now I'll be setting the rest of my face with the Fit Me Compact Powder. Step 5, contour, and first we'll be contouring our nose with the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Blends Bronzer because I am extremely pale. Y'all like this contour montage? Let me know. Now we will be chiseling our cheekbones, and I'm using this e.l.f. contour brush. I really like the flat edge, so you can create a straight line with your contour, and you can create a fake cheekbone. You don't need to pile on your contour. You don't need it to look like you just smeared mud all over your face. You also don't need it to connect to your hairline. We are creating an illusion of a cheekbone. Cheekbones don't grow out of your hair. Step 6, blush. I am using the Milani blush in Tea Rose. This is like a cool down corally color. It's not too pinky, but I also love to use really bright pink blush as well. I think it's really cute. And I am just swiping this on my face really fast and really softly. You don't want to like punch yourself in the face with your brush. That's not good. Blend your blush. Blend your contour, blend your everything. By the way, I blend everything in a circular motion until it's evenly blended. Step 7, highlights. I'm using 2 highlighters today, the Ofra X Nikki Tutorials in Glazed Donut and Jeffree Star in Peach Goddess. I am taking the Ofra highlighter on a Morphe eyeshadow flat packing brush and putting that on my cupid's bow, my chin, the tip of my nose, and the long part of my nose. I don't even know what that's called, but you know what I mean. Making that exclamation point. Now taking a fluffy angled eyeshadow brush and the Jeffree Star in Peach Goddess highlights and highlighting the high point of my cheek because I want the high point of my cheek to really stand out to make it look like the illusion of cheekbones and a glittery, nice face. And of course, highlighting right above my eyebrows and in the middle of my forehead, kind of in the center of my brows. This e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush is my holy grail blending brush. I use this to blend out contour, to blend out blush, and to blend out my highlight. It really is the ultimate blending brush. I love it. Step 8, eyes. I'm taking this fluffy eyeshadow brush from Morphe and my compact powder and just setting my eyes with the compact powder. So after filming, I realized using my Morphe 350 Nature Glow palette was unnecessary because I could have just used my contour shade because we are just deepening our crease to accentuate our eye. Now taking my Morphe crease blending brush and just blending my heart out until I cannot blend any longer. Now going in with a flat packing brush and our peachy gold highlighter from Jeffree Star. You could also use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in Golden Flower Crown. I actually really like that highlighter. I was going to use it today, but I decided to just go with my favorite. Now taking a angled brush or detail brush and a black eyeshadow and creating a subtle wing without bringing it to my inner corner. I'm only putting it on half of my eye. Now I'm going to line my upper lash line with a black pencil or black crayon eyeliner. I am using the Tarte Tardiest eyeliner in black. Last and final steps, mascara and pop on a lash. I am using the Ardell Wispy Lash because I wanted a natural look. These are also my favorite drugstore lashes. They just add a little extra, you know what I mean? Not too much, not too little. It's the perfect amount for my eye shape.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also click the bell icon down below to get notified every time I post a new video. I'll see you guys next time. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Brooke. Really? Welcome. My name is Brooke.